Hi folks, welcome back to Exposed. I'm going to put the two videos when Lori got the car back together in one thing so that everybody knows where it is. And can I just say, the first video, can you watch the duper's delight, because she knows she's got one over on everybody, because she got the car back before she got the GoFundMe money, and she got the car back even though she wasn't her mother, and she'd said all along that everything was in her mother's name. So this is downright proof that it was never repossessed, because she wouldn't have got it back, would she? Anyway, every time I see this video, it's like she thinks we can't see in her eyes and the upturned corners of her mouth, so then she puts her hand over her mouth to try and cover the fact that she's laughing.
You guys, you have no idea. This is all my stuff that they took out. You have no idea what I had to go through to get this car back. My God, it was more than money. It was, and thank you all for helping. I'm in the car. It's a top-down day. I have to go back to work. I'm so far from work. Everyone, oh my God. I'm shaking. Oh gosh.
Yeah, we believe you. Not.
Okay, so much more than just the money. You guys have no idea the red tape, what I have been working on day and night, struggling to get this car back. So much more than the money. But for all of you that helped, I don't even know what to say. I mean, I'm at a loss for words. Just bless you, bless you, bless you. No one will! I'm a fucking oak tree! Woo!
You're a fucking head case is what you are.